Most people know the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. But very few people ask, is this rule building security or just managing money? Because in today's world, salary planning alone is not enough. The rule says 50% for essentials like rent, EMI, groceries, 30% for lifestyle like shopping, traveling, upgrades, 20% for savings and investments. As a framework, it's good, लेकिन life spreadsheet जैसा simple नहीं होता. Sometimes EMI increases, sometimes responsibilities changes, sometimes anxiety increases even if income increases. In cybersecurity, we don't allocate protection randomly. We prioritize critical assets first. अगर system vulnerable है, we increase protection budget. Same logic applies here. If you have high EMI or budget, maybe your 20% savings should actually become 30% for some time because principal reduction is vulnerability patching. Many professionals follow 50-30-20 rule mechanically, but emotionally they are stressed. Why? Because 30% wants includes comparison driven spending, social media lifestyle, fear of missing out, ಅರಿವು ಇದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Awareness reduces unnecessary pressure. Sometimes we spend not because we need something, but because we don't want to feel behind. Spiritual clarity adds one more layer. Ask, is my spending increasing my peace or feeding my ego? Is this what necessary or emotional compensation? ಮನಸ್ಸು ಶಾಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When mind is calm, wants reduces naturally. So here is how I see the rule. If liabilities are high, increase protection. If vulnerability is low, enjoy consciously. 50% survival stability, keep it minimal. 30% growth and protection like skill upgrade plus principal reduction plus buffer, and 20% conscious enjoyment like travel, expenses and joy. Notice something, I shifted savings and growth higher than vulnerability exists because security first, lifestyle later. If you are earning well but still feeling anxious at night, maybe it's not your income, maybe it's how your money is structured. Financial rules like 50-30-20 are helpful, but they are not meant to be rigid formulas. Life changes, responsibilities changes, stress level changes. In cybersecurity, when risk increases, we adjust protection. Maybe finance needs the same flexibility too. When debit feels heavy, reduce exposure first. When spending comes from comparison, pause and question it. When you feel behind others, remind yourself everyone's timeline is different. Clarity beyond salary is not about perfect budgeting. It's about making decisions that let you sleep peacefully. Money management is mathematics, but financial security is psychology, and peace is spiritual alignment. This is Amrita Gadakar signing off with Clarity Beyond Salary.